Welcome to Super Picks, your guide to the smartest gadgets and tech out there. In today's video, we're looking at some clever car accessories designed to make your time on the road smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. Let's get started. The BIGBOI WASHR Pro is a powerful pressure washer designed for car enthusiasts and professionals who need a reliable cleaning solution. It boasts a maximum pressure of 1850 psi, paired with a flow speed of 9.5 liters per minute, providing both power and efficiency. Built with a high-quality brass pump and stainless steel pistons, the WASHR Pro can handle frequent use and tough conditions. The adjustable nozzle lets you switch easily between a strong jet for tough dirt and a wide spray for lighter cleaning. Its brushless induction technology makes it last up to 4 times longer than regular models. The machine operates at a lower RPM, meaning quieter operation with noise levels below 80 decibels. This versatile pressure washer can handle a wide range of cleaning tasks, from motorcycles and RVs to boats and outdoor furniture. It's the all-in-one solution you've been waiting for. Lexus has introduced digital side view monitors, revolutionizing the way we see our surroundings by replacing traditional mirrors with high-resolution cameras. These innovative cameras are mounted on the outside of the vehicle, providing a clearer and wider view of what's behind and beside the car. This design significantly helps to reduce blind spots, enhancing your overall driving safety. The cameras offer a wider and clearer field of view compared to conventional mirrors, making driving safer than ever by minimizing those pesky blind spots. And when you turn on your signals or shift into reverse, the system automatically extends the view, making it easier to maneuver. These screens also show reference lines that assist with parking and judging distances. Designed to handle various weather conditions, these camera units resist rain, snow, and dirt. They even come with built-in heaters to prevent freezing or fogging. Overall, Lexus's digital side view monitors are more than just a tech upgrade. They enhance safety, improve aerodynamics, and add a modern touch to the driving experience. The CarAide Multi-Tool is an essential compact emergency tool that every driver should have on hand. With its ability to jumpstart any vehicle with a 12-volt battery, as long as the battery has at least a 50% charge, this tool is a lifesaver in unexpected situations. It also functions as a power bank, allowing you to charge your phone, tablet, or other USB devices. In emergencies, the CarAide shines with its built-in safety hammer to break car windows and a seatbelt cutter for quick exits. It features an ultrasonic alarm that can deter potential threats, whether they be attackers or wild animals. The built-in flashlight is another standout feature, a regular beam for lighting your path, an SOS signal for emergencies, and a flashing light to call for help. Its ergonomic design ensures it fits comfortably in your hand, making it easy to use when you need it most. Lightweight and compact, it easily fits into your car's door pocket, glove compartment, or cup holder, so it's always within reach. Plus, it's built to withstand water, dirt, and shocks, making it reliable in tough conditions. It's a practical companion for anyone who drives. Dropracks are a true game changer for roof racks, designed to make loading and unloading gear an absolute breeze. Unlike traditional roof racks that stay high up, Dropracks feature a special mechanism that lowers the platform to a more accessible height, around waist or chest level. This innovative design makes it simple to load and unload heavy or bulky items like kayaks, bikes, skis, and cargo boxes. And when you're not using them, the racks can be raised back to roof level, helping your vehicle maintain its aerodynamic shape by cutting down on wind noise and drag. Crafted from strong materials like aluminum or steel, Dropracks are built to endure tough conditions and heavy use, ensuring they stand the test of time. Dropracks offer a practical and reliable way to carry equipment, while maintaining your vehicle's performance and aerodynamics. The HailSuit car cover is an advanced solution for protecting your vehicle from hail and extreme weather. Its unique inflatable system creates a protective shield around your car, keeping it safe from hailstones and other weather threats. The cover comes with a 12-volt pump that inflates it in just 3 to 7 minutes, making it quick and easy to set up when bad weather is approaching. Made with a multi-layered design, the HailSuit features thick padding that absorbs hail impact, reducing the risk of dents and scratches. The HailSuit includes adjustable straps and buckles to keep it securely in place. It's easy to install and remove, and it folds up into a compact case for simple storage and transport. The HailSuit car cover offers excellent protection with convenient features, making it a smart choice for anyone in hail-prone areas. The Headrest Safe is a smart storage solution designed to keep your valuables hidden and secure in your car. It fits into your vehicle's headrest, blending in with the interior, so it's not easily noticed by thieves. Even though it's compact, the Headrest Safe offers enough space for essentials like wallets, passports, jewelry, and small electronics. It installs easily without tools and works with many different car models. Made from durable materials, the Headrest Safe has a high-security lock, available with either a combination or key option, to ensure only authorized users can access your belongings. It's a practical choice for protecting your valuables while keeping your car's interior looking great. The GMC MultiPro Tailgate is an advanced and practical feature that transforms your truck's tailgate into a highly versatile tool. It operates just like a standard tailgate, but with added functionality. You can open and close it using a button on the tailgate or from inside the vehicle. The design improves access to the truck bed, making loading and unloading more efficient, especially in tight spaces. The tailgate includes a load stop feature to keep your cargo secure and prevent shifting during transit. The inner gate can be lowered independently, allowing easy access to the truck bed without fully opening the tailgate. When both gates are down, the inner panel folds out to create a 4-foot wide step, making it easier to get in and out of the bed. The inner gate also serves as a flat work surface, perfect for using tools or setting up a workstation. It can be opened on its own, acting as a cargo divider or a way to secure smaller items. Additionally, the MultiPro Tailgate features a 120-volt outlet for power tools, a USB port for charging, and Bluetooth connectivity for music. This combination of features makes the GMC MultiPro Tailgate an invaluable addition to GMC trucks, enhancing their functionality for both everyday use and specialized tasks. The Nestboard camping solution by BIGBOI brings a new level of convenience to vehicle camping, turning your car into a versatile camper with minimal effort. This modular system is compact and highly practical, perfect for both short trips and longer journeys. The Nestboard is designed for easy installation and removal, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles and camping setups. Its modular design allows it to adapt to various car models, ensuring it meets your specific needs. The Nestboard includes a foldable bed that provides a comfortable sleeping area. There are storage compartments placed to keep your gear organized and easy to access. A small kitchen unit with essential cooking tools and a sink allows you to prepare meals on the go. Made from strong, durable materials, it's weather-resistant and easy to clean. The design ensures you have everything you need for a comfortable camping experience. It combines convenience, durability, and comfort, making it a great investment for outdoor adventures. Meet ShoppaCart, the foldable shopping trolley designed to simplify your grocery shopping experience. With its sleek and modern design, ShoppaCart easily fits into almost any car trunk, making it perfect for transporting groceries from the store to your home. And despite its lightweight structure, it's sturdy enough to handle frequent use, impressive for something so portable. The trolley boasts a spacious interior to hold all your groceries, and the ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip. Your items stay secure and organized. ShoppaCart streamlines the entire shopping process, from the store to your pantry. It not only reduces the need for plastic bags, but also offers hands-free convenience, making it easier to carry heavy loads. Built for durability, ShoppaCart is a reliable companion for all your shopping trips. The ICS410S is a powerful dry ice cleaning system, specifically designed for automotive applications. It uses a technique called dry ice blasting, where small pellets of dry ice are shot at high speed onto surfaces to clean them. When these pellets hit a surface, they instantly turn from solid ice into gas, removing dirt and contaminants without leaving any mess behind. This system operates at pressures up to 232 pounds per square inch, making it effective for cleaning different surfaces without causing damage. Since the dry ice doesn't leave any moisture, it's safe to use on electrical components and wiring, reducing the risk of short circuits or damage. It's also non-toxic and doesn't use harmful chemicals, making it safe for both users and the environment. It's designed to clean thoroughly, reaching into tight spaces and intricate parts that other methods might miss. The system allows you to control the size of the dry ice particles, with 5 settings ranging from 0.5mm to 3mm, so you can adjust the cleaning power to suit different surfaces. It effectively removes grease, paint, oil, and mold, making it a valuable tool for many different cleaning tasks. This mad ramp is designed to attach to your truck's receiver hitch, creating a strong pivoting platform for easier loading and unloading of ATVs, UTVs, and similar vehicles onto your truck bed. This design allows the ramp to extend and retract, ensuring a smooth and secure transition from the ground to the truck bed, reducing the risk of slipping or tipping. It features a secure locking mechanism that keeps the ramps firmly in place during transport. Made from heavy-duty steel, the Mad Ramp is built to last and can support a wide range of vehicles. It's especially useful for those who regularly transport recreational vehicles, offering a safer and more efficient alternative to traditional ramps. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a professional transporter, or someone who values convenience, Mad Ramps provide a practical and reliable way to load and unload vehicles. The Tread Pro is a tough and reliable recovery tool designed to help you get out of tricky off-road situations. Made from strong composite materials, it's built to last and can handle harsh conditions. Its unique tooth pattern on the underside provides excellent traction on surfaces like sand, mud, and snow, helping your vehicle regain grip for easier recovery. The Tread Pro measures about 47 inches in length and weighs around 7.5 pounds. This makes it lightweight enough to carry and use easily, yet strong enough to handle significant pressure. It's perfect for both self-recovery and helping others. To use, simply place it under the tires of your stuck vehicle, and its textured surface will help the tires regain traction, allowing the vehicle to move forward or backward. The Tread Pro is a must-have for anyone who enjoys off-roading, providing a reliable way to recover vehicles and improve traction in tough conditions. The Rough Country Tailgate Extender is an essential accessory for truck owners who need extra space for larger items. It enhances your truck bed's length from 36 inches to an impressive 59 inches, perfect for transporting oversized cargo like lumber, kayaks, or ATVs. This extender is constructed from 14-gauge steel and coated for durability, ensuring it can handle heavy loads without sacrificing performance. Installation is simple, just bolt it on, no drilling or permanent modifications required. That means you can quickly get back on the road with your extended truck bed. It's a practical choice for anyone who regularly carries larger loads. The Hankook iFlex is a next-generation tire that redefines the future of driving with a focus on sustainability, safety, and performance. This tire is unlike anything we've seen before. No more worrying about air pressure, punctures, or blowouts ever. The design includes hexagonal and tetragonal cells that absorb shocks, ensuring a smooth ride even on rough surfaces. When it comes to safety, the iFlex really shines. Since there's no air involved, there's zero risk of leaks or blowouts, making it a much safer option for drivers. And thanks to its solid build and advanced tread pattern, you get excellent stability and grip, whether it's wet or dry out there. It features a unique spoke structure made from durable polyurethane, which supports the vehicle's weight without needing air. It takes less energy to produce compared to regular tires and is made from recyclable materials. This tire is versatile enough to be used on all kinds of vehicles, from cars to trucks. Its ability to adapt to different vehicles and driving conditions makes it a standout in the tire industry. The B&W Companion fifth wheel hitch is a top pick for RV lovers because of its sturdy build and ease of use. Its unique one-piece design ensures a strong connection between your truck and trailer, eliminating the need for extra pins or bolts. One of its standout features is adjustable height settings, allowing you to customize the hitch to match your truck's bed height and your trailer's needs. This keeps the ride level, improves stability, and reduces trailer sway. The hitch also has a quick release system, so you can easily remove it from your truck bed when you're not towing. This is great if you switch between different setups or need more bed space. Made from tough steel and coated with a durable finish, it's built to handle heavy loads. The B&W Companion includes a precision machine head that absorbs road shocks for a smoother ride. Installing it is easy thanks to its underbed mounting system. Overall, the B&W Companion is praised for its strong build, user-friendly design, and versatility, making it a great choice for serious RVers and truck owners. The OBDeleven is a powerful diagnostic and programming tool designed for car enthusiasts, DIY mechanics, and professionals. It allows users to read diagnostic trouble codes, helping identify issues in various systems like the engine, transmission, and airbags. It also provides live data from your car's sensors, offering real-time insights into engine performance, fuel consumption, and more. OBDeleven makes it simple to customize your vehicle, enabling you to turn features on or off. Some advanced features require a paid subscription, making it a versatile tool for understanding and enhancing your car's performance.